that gives them extremely high salary. I'm not joking. This chicken is really the best chicken I've ever cooked. Even though my cooking skill baseline is quite high, this is high over the high. It's so delicious. I should let people around the world know my cooking skill. Give me a stage, give me a platform, let me serve you guys. I used to have a dream that is to build a building with 23 floors. So the topmost floor is that it provides food and without price and no need to pay. It's an invitation mechanism. So only you are invited, you can enjoy the food at the 23rd floor in this building. And I will recruit the best chef around the world that gives them extremely high salary, and they didn't care about KPI, performance, all these things. They just focus on providing the best food ever. That's my dream. Okay.